Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Waris. Welcome you all in Healthcare with Dr. Waris. Viewers, so today's topic which I have chosen for you is headache. So the very common problem nowadays, and everyone is facing this problem from little exaggeration of overwork, strenuous exercise, and daily work can make you fatigue, and then you can result in headache. Headache, what is headache? First of all, you know that how it occurs and what are these most causes of these headache. Arteries, venous, sinus and durometers are sensitive to pain. Sudden distortion or displacement of these structures causes pain. That's called the headache. And there are so many causes of the headache. So we have described number one as local intracranial causes and local extracranial causes and the systemic causes. When we are talking about the local intracranial causes includes inflammation, which includes meningitis and encephalitis, and migraine and hypertension, and the cluster headaches. Intracranial causes includes the lesions of intracranial mass, in this subarachnoid hemorrhage and edema, and the other causes which causes the decreased intracranial pressure includes hypoglycemia and dehydration also. And local extracranial causes which leads to headache are the soft tissue cellulitis of scalp, referred pains from eye, middle ear or nose. When there is a problem of eye, means error of refraction. Middle ear infections includes the otitis media and mastoiditis, and nose includes the sinusitis, paranasal sinuses. Headache which causes by the increased intracranial pressure or due to the mass or lesion in the brain, which when we notice when one person is lying down and the pain increases, but when one person coughs or sneezes or strenuous exercise, it may also much more increase. Then we say that this could be due to the cerebral edema, or it may be due to the mass which is accompanied by the vomiting also. When any person experience a single outbreak or a single episode of any severe headache, it could be due to the subarachnoid hemorrhage, and it could be due to the migraine or any meningitis. Systemic causes includes neuralgias, metabolic and toxic factors, and tension headaches. Neuralgias includes temporomandibular neuralgia, orbital neuralgia, trigeminal neuralgia, and metabolic includes hypoglycemia, alkalosis, acidosis, and toxic factors includes fever and uremias, certain drugs. Tension headaches includes depression, anxiety, and some tensions. When any person experiences chronic headaches recurring for several years, it could be due to the migraine or due to the tension. So now viewers, here we have described about these few features of headache, and now we are come on the treatment. So we must have to treat the cause, which has been occurred, and what is the reason behind for the headache. We must remove that cause, and then we will get rid of that headache. And the most commonly we use when there is psychogenic headache, we use tranquilizers, antidepressants, and anxiolytics, and we can give relief due to some massage also, and simple headache also. So it is all about our headache. viewers, if you have any query or question regarding headache, please feel free to ask. And take care. Allah Hafiz. Till my next video, and inshallah our next video will be on the migraine, the very much more topic concerned about the headache, and is a separate entity and separate disease which I will talk about. You will inshallah will brief you about the migraine. Take care. Allah Hafiz.